Can you visualize a reality where you are living your ideal life and you have everything you've ever wished for? Do you ever see people living their dream life and wonder, how did they do it? Well, the secret to achieving anything lies in energy, and more specifically, the workings of the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. As a result, we are always attracting things into our lives at the level of what we are thinking and feeling. Science now backs up the validity of this because a thought has a frequency and can be seen on a brain scan. A powerful quote by Albert Einstein perfectly sums up the manifestation process. He states, "Match the frequency of the reality that you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way." This is not philosophy. This is physics. Master Your Thoughts Bootcamp teaches you step by step how to effectively, as it is stated in Einstein's quote, match the frequency of the reality that you want so that you can get that reality. Master Your Thoughts Bootcamp has a lot of benefits, and it also has many features. One of them is the Harmonizer Law of Attraction Accelerator Subliminal Video that will allow you to turbocharge your results. Master Your Thoughts Bootcamp is an all-inclusive, first-of-its-kind manifestation class that has everything you need to manifest the life you have always hoped and wished for. Learn more and get free, exclusive lifetime access to Max Relaxation, a powerful and transformative subliminal video and audio combination.